Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb burn out and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb burn out is to make something stop working because it gets too hot or is used too much. The car wouldn't start. It was only a matter of time before the clutch burnt out. The light bulb needed to be changed. The other light bulb stopped working when the fuse burnt out. Meaning 2 of burn out is to become extremely tired or sick by working too hard over a period of time. The manager is always the first to arrive and the last to leave. I think you might need to slow down, boss. You'll end up burning yourself out. She became a professional tennis player very young and has decided to retire early. I think it's time I put down my racket. I've burnt myself out because I started so young. So let's look back on what we've covered. Burn out can mean to make something stop working because it gets too hot or is used too much. My gaming console is burnt out. I have to buy a new one. To become extremely tired or sick by working too hard over a period of time. My dad worked past his retirement age and now he's severely burnt out. Where did you hear the phrasal verb burn out? Let us know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.